Traditionally, customizing desktops for different users was time-consuming and required many disparate systems to manage, making it challenging to manage resources and scale efficiently. Remote users increased the surface needed to secure, so ensuring compliance and data protection in unmanaged device scenarios added additional complexity. With Windows Virtual Desktop, you can deploy and scale modern and legacy desktop app experiences in minutes with unified management in the Azure portal. Enjoy unified user and resource management, and use familiar tools like REST API and PowerShell to customize setup, deployment, and UI. Dynamically scale virtual machines using depth-first or breadth-first load balancing, and enjoy the integrated security and management of Microsoft 365. And rich partner solutions. Simplify user management and security with Windows Virtual Desktop.